From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Egypt Ful Medames. Ful Medames, often simply called ful, is one of Egypt's most iconic and beloved dishes. Made from slow-cooked fava beans seasoned with garlic, lemon, cumin, and olive oil, it has been a staple of Egyptian cuisine for thousands of years. Its history is deeply intertwined with Egypt's agricultural traditions, social customs, and even political movements. Ful Medames dates back to Pharaonic Egypt, where fava beans were a key crop due to the fertile Nile Valley. Evidence suggests that ful was consumed as early as the 4th dynasty, 26, 13 to 24, 94 BCE, with traces of fava beans found in tombs. Ancient Egyptians valued the dish for its nutritional richness and long shelf life, making it ideal for laborers and soldiers. Some historians believe that ful was part of the diet of the pyramid builders, providing them with protein and energy. The method of slow cooking beans in a sealed pot dimes, from which medames derives, allowed for easy preparation over low heat, often overnight. With the spread of Islam in the 7th century, ful became even more prominent due to its affordability and filling nature. It was commonly eaten for suhoor, the pre-dawn meal during Ramadan, because of its sustaining qualities. By the Mamluk period 50 to 15, 17 CE, ful was sold by street vendors in Cairo, often served with bread and eggs. The dish became a symbol of Egyptian identity, distinguishing local cuisine from the Ottoman-influenced dishes of the ruling elites. Under Ottoman rule 1517 to 1867, ful remained a food of the common people, while the elite preferred meat-based dishes. However, its popularity never waned. In the 19th and 20th centuries, ful became a national breakfast dish, often eaten with tameya, Egyptian falafel, eggs, and pickles. During the 1919 revolution against British rule, ful was a unifying food for protesters. Later, President Gamal Abdel Nasser promoted it as a symbol of Egyptian resilience during economic hardships in the 1950s and 60s. Ful remains a cultural cornerstone in Egypt, enjoyed by all social classes. It is traditionally cooked in large copper pots and served in clay bowls. Regional variations include Alexandria, spicier, with chili and vinegar. Upper Egypt, served with buffalo milk butter, samna baladi. Cairo, classic style with lemon, garlic, and olive oil. Internationally, ful has spread across the Middle East and Africa, with countries like Sudan, Lebanon, and Ethiopia adapting it. However, Egypt remains its spiritual home, where it is still the king of breakfast tables. From the time of the Pharaohs to modern-day street food, Ful Medames has endured as a humble yet powerful symbol of Egyptian heritage. Its long history reflects Egypt's agricultural roots, social traditions, and national pride, proving that some of the greatest legacies come not from gold or monuments, but from a simple pot of beans.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.